Moose, he's on the loose. Elliot Moose, he's on the loose. Elliot Moose is on the loose.
I'm Elliot Moose. I like to play, and with my friends I'll play all day. My best friend Socks has a costume box, so we dress up and then we pretend to be astronauts in space, or detectives solving a case. Pirates, knights, explorers too. Then you come home again.
Elliot Moose, he's on the loose. Elliot Moose, he's on the loose.
Have you seen Elliot?
Elliot Moose, he's on the loose. Elliot Moose is on the loose.
Today's show is about friends liking friends. Here you go, Elliot. Thanks, Socks. One box left. Careful. I can't look. There. Finished. Terrific. Tremendous. Wonderful. The tallest tower in the world, Elliot. And we built it all by ourselves. Hooray! Huh? What was that? I don't know. Oh no! Our tower! What was that?
Elliot, Socks, pardon me.
Lionel, did you make that noise?
Yes, I'm afraid I did. I knew I shouldn't have gulped my lunch. Oh.
You mean it gave you...
Correct. A king-size case of the roaring hiccups. Uh-oh. Here comes another one. Oh, forgive me. There's nothing I can do. What's that pile of boxes for?
It was the world's largest box tower. Never mind. It was an accident. Right, Socks? Well, right. Why don't you hold your nose and stand on one foot? That always stops my hiccup.
I'll try. Let's see. Hand on nose and stand on one foot. I think it's worked. Yes. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you, Socks. Elliot.
Yay!
Now then, let me help you put that tower of yours back together.
Okay, Lionel, throw me a box.
Coming up.
Amazing!
There.
Ta-da!
What do you think?
Amazing! It's as good as ever! Hooray!
Oh. Remember how I said I was fine?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm not after all.
Oh, no!
Oh, I'm sorry.
We know.
Oh, I hate the roaring hiccups. I wish they'd go away.
I've got an idea. Pat your chest and jump up and down. That's what I always do.
I might as well try. Well. I think that's done it. I don't feel a hiccup anywhere.
Thank goodness!
This time we'll get your tower back up and keep it up. Excellent.
You can say that again.
Oh, that one surprised me. Though just when I thought I was better. Oh. I wouldn't blame you if you never wanted to be friends with me ever again. Look what I've done.
You couldn't help it, Lionel. Lions get roaring hiccups sometimes. That's the way they are. We'll always be friends with you. Hiccups won't change that.
Promise?
Cross our hearts. Come on, moose hug.
get hiccups when they cheer too much. That's just the way they are.
But we'll never get our tower built. There's only one thing we can do.
To make those hiccups go away,
Moose
Moose
hug!
hug!
I'm sure to be the most beautiful person at the ball. How do I look? You look very beautiful. Colorful. Well, I must go to the castle. Be sure to clean all the dishes, wash all the laundry, and mop the floors before I get home. Good night, Soxerella. Good night. Amy Bell is right. I could never go to the ball dressed like this. I wish I had a fairy godfather.
At your service,
My fairy godfather!
I'm here to help you go to the Prince's Ball.
But my clothes.
Watch this. Hip, hop, poof. How did that happen?
Mom, Shibidolo.
Dress.
You look very
Colorful.
beautiful. I
Go.
better be off.
Don't forget shoes. I don't have any shoes.
Oh, yes, shoes. Hip, poof, pass. Merciful legal chips. Closer. Lovely.
They're a little bit tight, fairy godfather.
Get used to them. Have fun. Soxerella, there's one thing I forgot to tell you. The magic will wear off at midnight. Be sure you leave the palace before then. Hip, hop, woof.
Midnight. I must be home by midnight. Oh, I would be honored if you would have the next dance with me. I'd be glad to, Your Highness. Ow, my feet. What is it? Wait here, please, Your Highness. I'll be right back.
Let the dance begin.
I would like to say that. What would you like to say? I have to go. Bye. Come back. Please.
She left a shoe, Your Highness. You can take it back to her.
But I don't know her name.
Hear ye, hear ye. His Royal Highness, Prince Elliot Moose von Funsberry, invites anyone who was at the ball last night to come out and try on this slipper.
Yoo-hoo! Prince Elliot, I was at the ball last night. Remember me? Of course. Your outfit was very beautiful. Colorful. Lionel, that's her. I'm sure of it. Soxerella? Impossible. Excuse me, is this your slipper? Yes, Your Highness. I wanted to return it to you. Thank you, Your Highness, but you can keep it. Those slippers hurt my feet too much. But weren't you dancing in these shoes last night? Well, I was dancing, but I was actually barefoot. You just couldn't see my feet
feet too. Let the dance begin.
I meant to be that.
Let me see. 9 o'clock, meeting. 10 o'clock, meeting. 11 o'clock, meeting. 12 o'clock, lunch meeting. Just once, I wish I could take a day off. Wait a minute. I'm king of the jungle. I can do what I want.
Good morning, Your Majesty.
Good morning, Elliot Moose, jungle photographer, and best friend Socks.
We're here for our 9 o'clock meeting.
We're going to take your picture for the Lions magazine.
No pictures today.
Huh? I beg your pardon?
But you like having your picture taken.
And I need to get a picture of a lion.
Listen. Hear ye, hear ye. I, King Lionel, declare today to be not a lion day. You see? Now you can't take my picture because I'm not a lion today.
Then, what are you?
A monkey. Excuse me. I have to find a banana. Where can I find a banana?
They're the yellow fruit that grows in bunches on trees. You can't miss them.
Thanks.
Maybe we should follow him.
Good idea. We could get some great pictures. Your Majesty!
King Lionel! He's disappeared.
Where did he go?
Huh?
Amazing.
Be careful, Your Majesty. It takes lots of practice to be a monkey.
If he just sits there, he'll be all right.
Yes. Just as long as he doesn't try swinging on vines.
I meant to do that.
He even sounds like a monkey.
King Lionel?
What animal are you going to be next?
I don't know. I'll think about it while I'm having my rest.
I think he's back to normal now.
You're right. He's back to normal.
I'll have my rest at the bottom of the lake.
The bottom of the lake?
A hippopotamus is the only animal that rests there. He's being a hippo! I don't see him. Do you?
Not a ripple.
Thank you, Henrietta. Being a hippo is fun, but too wet.
Amazing! Your Majesty,
What?
we'd like to walk with you.
To see what animal you're going to be next. Unless you're going to be a lion.
Socks, he can't be a lion today.
But, I'm the king of the jungle. I can be whatever I want to.
But you said today was not a lion day. So you can't be a lion.
Even if you wanted to.
No one can tell the king what he can or cannot do. I'll prove it. Hear ye, hear ye. I, King Lionel, declare that, for the rest of the day, all lions can be lions.
Does that mean you're a lion now?
It certainly does.
Allow me.
Ready? Smile.
excellent photograph, Elliot. As usual.
Thank you, Lionel. Of course, I had excellent models.
I certainly agree with that.
One, two, three, four, five, six. We made it!
4, 5, and 6. Made it.
3, 4, 5, 6. Made it!
Hi, Elliot. Paisley, Beaverton.
Hi, Socks. That's a nice cap you're wearing, Socks.
Paisley, it's a Cap Club cap.
Cap Club? What's the Cap Club?
It's a club for people who have these caps.
Who's in the cap club?
Me.
Anybody else?
You can all be in the Cap Club.
Yay!
Yay!
But Socks, we don't have any caps.
You do now. Here they are. Here's one for Paisley,
Oh, boy!
one for Beaverton.
Oh, thank you very much. Look.
Here's one for you, Elliot.
Oh, thank you, Socks.
Mine fits perfectly.
So does mine.
Let's do the Cap Club cheer.
Okay.
How does it go?
We're the Cap Club.
We're the cap club.
We're the best.
We're the best.
Our caps are better than all the rest.
Our caps are better than all the rest. Yay! Cap Club!
Go ahead, Elliot. Put on your cap.
Yeah, come on, Elliot. Join the cap club. I'll put it on a little later. See you.
Bye.
Why won't he put on the cap?
I don't know.
Let's do the cheer again.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
We're the Cap Club. We're the best. Our caps are better than all the rest. Yay! Cap Club!
These answer bumps stick out so much. Let's see. There. That looks good. I'm Elliot Moose. I like to play, and with my friends I'll play all day. And I can... Oh, it's just not me. Maybe sideways. Oh, this silly cap.
Elliot, we're waiting for you. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing.
Is everything okay?
Yes, of course. Sure.
Are you going to come out and play with us?
In a little while.
Where's your Cap Club cap?
Oh, right here.
Don't you like it?
Sure I do. It's really amazing.
Why don't you put yours on? Then we can all be in the Cap Club.
I don't want to be in the cap club. That's why.
Why not?
Because.
Because why?
Because my cap club cap won't fit my antler bumps. That's why.
Oh.
Silly bumps. I wish I had a smooth head like everybody else.
But Elliot, your antler bumps are part of you. There's something that makes you different from everyone else.
But I don't want to be different.
There must be some way to make the cap fit.
Sure, I could cut holes for my antler bumps, but I'd still be different from everybody else.
Oh, so big that hurts. Wait, right here.
Why can't I have a smooth head? Like everybody else.
Elliot, come on out.
Oh. Hi.
Hi, Elliot.
What did you do to your cats?
These are our next time.